Hi, this is Elio Moraes and I'm here with Mike Smith. Mike is a broker but also a real estate investor. In this video, he will tell us about his experience of investing in Brazil. Mike, thanks for coming.
Okay, Elio, thanks for inviting me. I'm very happy to be here once again to discuss the Brazilian property market.
Okay, so Mike, tell us about your companies in Brazil.
Yes, Elio, I set up two companies.
Okay.
The first one was 3 years ago by the name of Grand Vision Investments.
Okay.
And then I opened another one a year after called Many Partners. Investment funds with capital applied for the local Brazilian real estate market.
So Mike, this is your companies or do you have partners?
Okay, well, the first company I set up, Grand Vision, I have 4 investors.
Yeah.
One from New Zealand, another from Sweden, another guy from France, and another in Britain.
Okay.
So 4 partners, including myself. And I have another company called Many Partners, as I mentioned, and there are 4 French partners.
Okay.
So all in all, I have 8 foreign investment partners. And I have an equal equity share in the company, and also I am the administrator for the company. So I source the investment projects, and I organize the team, and I execute the projects, and I take care of the accountancy and everything else that's involved in running a business.
What investments have you made?
In the past 3 years, we have applied our capital to 4 types of investment. The first has been land investment. We bought areas of land on the outskirts of Natal City.
Yeah.
The second type of investment, we have bought pieces of land and subdivided the land plots in order to sell to the local market.
Okay.
Second investment. Third investment, we've constructed houses for the federal government program of Minha Casa Minha Vida, or My House, My Life. We've been building those houses for the past 2 years. And finally, the fourth investment type has been in gated communities. We bought a large stretch of land in order to do a gated community for the foreign market.
Okay. And what are your plans for the future?
Well, the plans are to continue to invest in this state and to expand our activities. So we've had a good run with the construction of the popular houses. We've got a new, we call it loteamento, which is a subdivision of land plots, 248 land plots, which we're now selling. And our big project for the future, for the near future, is a gated community on the beachfront in a place called San Miguel do Gostoso, which is a very nice beach resort 100 kilometers north of Natal City. So that's our future right there. And we'll continue to expand our activities after we successfully execute that project.
What advice would you give other overseas investors looking to enter the Brazilian market?
I would say first and foremost that you need to have the right people in place. If you're looking to invest in Brazil, in land or in commercial properties or in residential developments, you need to have the right team in place. So you need to have a good legal backup. You need to have a good accountancy firm, a good real estate agent, obviously, on your side, looking for the best deals, and the project management team in place to take care of all the developments that you will develop over the years. So to have the right team in place is the key component to becoming successful in this real estate market.
I understand. Yeah, this is a very big challenge because you are in a foreign country, so you need to have the good partners to make good jobs.
Absolutely, Elio. It's very, very important. It's a key factor. Also, of course, you need to know where the opportunities are.
Yeah, that's right. And now in Brazil, we are in crisis, but there are many opportunities. That's right?
Well, yeah, absolutely. There's for two basic reasons.
Yeah.
The opportunities exist in the real estate market for investors now. One, because there are distressed sales. People are needing to sell their properties, so they have to lower their prices.
Yeah.
That's one factor that's very beneficial to foreign investors right now. The other factor, of course, is the exchange rate. I'm not sure if you've been following the Brazilian currency, but it's devalued over 50% to the dollar, the euro, and the pound over the last 12 months. So your hard currency effectively gives you twice as much value in real terms. So it really is a fantastic time to enter the market. So the advice I would give really to any foreign overseas investors would be to seriously consider coming into the market now to get the right opportunities, and then forming that core team of professionals that will allow you to develop successfully in this regional market.
Great, Mike. And how can you help the investor who wants to buy or develop in Brazil?
Well, Elio, the first thing I can do for an overseas investor here, I'm a real estate broker by profession. So I have lots of land areas for prime development projects on the outskirts of Natal. I have residential projects within the city, and so that's the first thing I can do to put you in the right direction. The second thing, if you're looking to develop residential homes or projects on the beachfront for foreign buyers, I can put you in contact with a legal team, an accountancy firm, a project manager. So I can point you in the right direction to set up your own system. I've done it myself, so I'm in a good place to help you do it as well.
Okay, Mike, and how can the people who are watching us at this moment can find you?
Well, I think the best source of information on this topic of developing in Brazil would be my blog, which is just below this video. It has a lot of articles about how to develop in Brazil and the latest offers on land areas in the outskirts of towns that are really prime for housing developments. Hotel resorts also we have on the beachfront. These articles are covered in my blog, which, as I said, the link is just below the video.
Okay, thanks Mike for coming.
My pleasure.
And thank you for watching us, and see you on next video.
Yeah, hope to see you all soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye.